The beauty of natural stone is that it can be used in many places around the home. Natural stone comes in many varieties and can lend your home character that will last a lifetime. Another benefit of natural stone is that it adds considerable value to your home. In this video, we will be discussing natural stone and its applications throughout your home. Hi, my name is Joe and I'm here today with Big Bob's. Before we go any further, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. What can you do with natural stone? It's more like, what can't you do with natural stone? Natural stone is durable and it's a natural asset to your home. Natural stone can be used for backsplashes, bathrooms, countertops, fireplaces, and of course, flooring. Please allow me to explain the different types of natural stone. Natural stone is ranked by the Mohs hardness scale. The hardness scale relates to how susceptible the stone is to scratching and other damage. Every stone is ranked on a scale of lowest to highest, 1 through 10. Typically, you can expect pricing to fluctuate with the hardness of the material. Here are some common stone rankings. 2.2 through 5.5. Marble is very soft. It starts as limestone, but is then recrystallized and softened due to intense heat and pressure in the earth. Limestone 3.0 through 4.0 is formed over millions of years at the bottom of rivers and other bodies of water. Travertine 3.0 through 5.5 is limestone that is formed in hot springs. Because of the heat and water, travertine is naturally pitted with holes that add to its aesthetic. Slate 6.0 is a natural mixture of clay, quartz, and shale that is made under intense pressure. Granite 6.6 through 8.5 is one of the most popular stones for home remodeling. Granite is popular because of its toughness and versatility. We know natural stone is not the most cost-effective product. However, there are alternatives, such as porcelain and ceramic. These materials are generally more cost-effective and require less upkeep. With porcelain and ceramic, grout is important to keep an eye on. Grout is very porous, which makes it vulnerable to water damage. Porcelain and ceramics are popular alternatives to natural stone. Will you be installing natural stone in your home? Let us know in the comments below. While you're there, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see our new videos every week.